Very rarely in life one gets a chance where they see the past and the future together. The rarity of this occasion lies in the fact that time is never stagnant. Recently, we got the opportunity to create and witness something similar. So, here we bring to you the same motorcycling recipe of big with two different servings 3 and 3. The Roman 3 signifies the illustrious past, and the numerical 3, the future, which is also the present. We recently added the Triumph Rocket 3R to our garage, and in the few hundred kilometers that we've ridden it for, it has only solidified our belief that it is more than deserving of all the superlative titles motorcyclists related with. Now, a fortunate happenstance helped us put together this show, where we have this Rocket 3 from the past running along our own Rocket 3R from 2020. When it comes to special motorcycles like the Rocket 3, origins are just as important. How was the Rocket born? Well, Triumph wanted a cruiser, one with a 1600cc engine, but then someone at Hinckley decided that they were going big. 2294cc big. Around 140 bhp of power, more than 200 Newton meters of torque, and 300 kilograms dry, and that humongous 240 section rear tire. The Rocket 3 was a talk of not only the town, but the whole wide world. Now, the Rocket 3 was conceptualized to be a cruiser, and it was. But with time, Triumph realized that it could be much more than simply a slave to a particular category. So they came up with the Roadster variant, which had mid-mounted controls and steered it in the direction of street fighters. With the older Rocket bringing back some memories, our own Rocket 3R was waiting to amplify all those sensations that the older Rocket had invoked. Triumph somehow managed to make the Rocket 3 bigger and smaller at the same time. The longitudinally mounted inline 3 engine now sports a displacement bumped up to 2.5 liters. 2500cc. What entails is more power, more torque, and more refinement, and lot of tech. The Rocket 3R is setting records in the 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 100 kilometers runs with a 2.73 seconds. Yes, that is superbike category. It is a big brawny muscle cruiser, alright, but those numbers can shame quite a few superbikes out there. Despite the nerve-wracking acceleration, we like the rideability of the Rocket 3R the most. The longer wheelbase of course helps in keeping the wheelies at check. On the Rocket 3R, you can be 1 or 2 or 3 gears higher, and even then it won't feel lacking. The in-gear acceleration is absolutely nuts.
It's like almost 9 degrees here, but it still manages to hot things up. I'm actually sweating right now. It is that exhilarating.
Talking about acceleration, the ride oil surely helps. Triumph recommends Castrol engine oil, but we took it up a notch with the new Castrol Power One Ultimate. But more on that a bit later. In addition to looking super cool, the exhaust pipes emanate a soul-stirring note, and it gets better and better as you accelerate. Accelerate and let the throttle go. And the pops and crackles make you grin like a little kid. And it does that not only to you, but the bystanders and the fellow roadmates too. Moving on, another trait that made the Rocket special was the handling. Well, the Rocket 3R dials all of those feelings to 11. Primarily because the Rocket 3 has lost quite a bit of heft. The motorcycle now weighs 291 kgs. That is 40 kgs lesser than the predecessor. Last but not the least, the TFT multifunctional display. This is what truly reminds one of the age that we live in and how much the Rocket has grown. There's an option to add the Triumph connectivity system with the fitment of a Bluetooth module too. Absolutely stupendous stuff. And now, just to let you know, that is not the only evolution that the Rocket went through. That one happened in Hinckley. This one happened right here. in the XPHP garage. The evolution of Rocket 3R into the Soul Rocket, that is what we have christened it, with a striking black and gold color inspired by the new Castrol Power One Ultimate. With the arrival of the new Castrol Power One Ultimate oil, we now know what the best is. For our Rocket 3R, we went with the new Castrol Power One Ultimate 15W50, which comes with fully synthetic technology and a 5-in-1 formula. It ensures that the engine oil delivers better performance on the 5 major fronts that works toward a better ride for both the rider and the motorcycle: acceleration, protection of the engine, smoother ride, enduring performance, and cooler engine temps. Yes, it takes something to cool that 2500cc engine down, doesn't it? It is still a surreal feeling having the Soul Rocket in our garage, looking at the sheer expanse of it. Sometimes people ask, what is the point of such a bike? Well, it ultimately boils down to bragging rights, and when that happens, merely putting the FOB of the Rocket 3R on the table almost certainly guarantees a win. But look at that. 2 generations riding together. What an amazing sight. Ride safe.